Is thunder you hear. It's about to absolutely bucket down. So we're going over to the Pavilion Mall, which is just over there. You can see it just AFC. They're all in a row here. Nando's, Chicken Rice Shop, Burger King, Dolly's and Pizza Hut down the end. We've been in this Nando's before, last time we were here, or one of the times we were here. It was last time, it might have been the time before that. And there's a lot more food all in here as well. It just goes forever. Pavilion Mall. Bukit Bintang. Pizza, one of the best places to eat. This is what we love getting here, this salad, and it is amazing. Alright, we'll get some food and I'll show you what we got. We just got our food delivered on a robot. Look at this. Here's your meal. Be careful with it, it's hot, she says. There's the pizza. Alright.
And then you all done?
The potatoes? No. Alright.
Is there still potatoes to come?
Yeah, but don't forget my potatoes, okay? Come back with my potatoes. We got a salad each. These are these mad ones. And we got a pizza. And we will have a potato coming. It's supposed to be potatoes, so hopefully that does come. Because I'm going to have that with the pizza anyway, because I'm going to have the salad first. Look how good that is. And we got 2 drinks. That was all this was with the potato and gravy, 100 ringgit, so $40 for all that. Pretty good. We are off to the city, which is in that direction. We just got a T805 bus. There's only 3 stops, and this across the road here is their chocolate museum. Now I must say it's definitely a lot bigger than the one in Phillip Island in Melbourne. Chocolate museum. Alright, yeah, okay. Definitely you just walk straight in here, I guess, in the front gate. That was embarrassing. We sort of went in we walked in the main driveway bit, but it had arrows in another door. We went in and we were walking around doing a little bit of stuff, and I thought, this feels wrong. It feels like we're in the wrong place, and why are we not? It can't be free, because it was crazy amount of stuff in here, and we went around a corner and we went backwards. Yeah, we went in the wrong door, so we just paid. It was only 6 ringgit each, which is about $2.40 each. just got off a train stop because we saw there's a big Harvey Norman building across the road here, and there's an IKEA. We came here, I saw this thing with the big circle on top, and it's an old mall. You can see all the signs are gone off it. It's all empty in there. They've blocked all the entrances off to it. You can see up there. They must be doing renovations. You can see it all links across the back. It links onto this new building. This is all open, this one here. But we're here for a bit of quick lunch, a light lunch, and then we're going to go to the new Pavilion Mall after this mall. So it's a double mall day. This is such a different experience. It's an open air mall. Wee bit warm today, unfortunately. Makes it a wee bit harder. But yeah, they've got all these little courtyards like this. Just turned a corner and it looks like it heads up into more of an enclosed, more of a modern looking type of mall. So we've just come into a new mall. We just got off the train station. This is the new Pavilion Mall. We've got our battery banks. We bought them from a store in the last mall. This is brand new. You can see there's still a lot will be getting built in here. Still a lot of stores coming. But yeah, this is the roof line. And we don't know what's around the corner. We don't know how big it is. A wee little video here of our shopping spree here in Malaysia. Oh, Kirsten's just put her golden chopsticks down here. So look at Kirsten. I got her some new shoes for her birthday, some Asics. We got some flip-flops called thongs. We got a pair of those each from the Fipper shop, they were called. Kirsten got a pair of long pants. She bought that jacket there today. And I bought this vest today to load up going through the airport. Kirsten bought a neck pillow. It's actually full of her clothes at the moment. She took the foam out. She's doing my trip. She's loaded up with clothes, about 1 kilo's worth of clothes. She bought a new bag for day trips, another small one. She bought a battery bank, a phone stand. That's a couple of these things are cool. They're like really small, thin underarm, after colognes, hand sanitizer thin ones. I bought a battery bank, stand for my tablet. This was from the chocolate factory today. Some almonds. We couldn't buy a lot of chocolates because obviously we're leaving tomorrow, and I bought a little mini lightweight umbrella.
And we gave some away.
We gave some chocolates away. So yeah, that was our shopping here. Kirsten's making up some toasted cheese and onion sandwiches tonight. We walked past the Nando's and we thought, you know what, we've got to eat the food back at the motel. Okay, travel day. Kirsten's finishing the last wipe. She's got her front bag on. So let's say goodbye to Cheras. There's the train heading in that station there. That's the opposite way to we're going. We could go that way to Klang, but then that's a longer way. We're going to go the way we know. So yeah. All right, let's get our bags on and make a move.